हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद करता हूं आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम फार्मास्यूटिकल इंजीनियरिंग के मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। इस वीडियो में हम यूनिट नंबर 2 के चैप्टर नंबर 1 हीट ट्रांसफर के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन विद आंसर देखेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन बैंक एंड सॉल्यूशन ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर। इस वीडियो में हम जो क्वेश्चन प्रीवियसली एग्जाम में यूनिवर्सिटी ने पूछा था वो देखते हैं। तो समर 2019 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, फ्लो ऑफ हीट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल जनरली इन वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग यूनिट ऑपरेशन। आंसर इज सी। समर 2019 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, हीट ट्रांसफर टेक्स प्लेस अकॉर्डिंग टू। आंसर इज बी। विंटर 2018 और विंटर 2019 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, Which of the following is correct according to Stephan-Boltzmann law? Answer is D. Question number 4. When heat transferred by molecular collision, it is referred to as heat transferred by. Answer is A. Question number 5. In radioactive heat transfer, a gray surface is one. Answer is B. Question number 6. To which type of heat flow Fourier law is applicable? Answer is A. Question number 7. Flow of heat is applicable to. Answer is A. Question number 8. Which equipment causes the heat transfer by radiation? Answer is C. Question number 9. When heat transfer from hot body to cold body in a straight line without affecting the interventing medium, it is referred as heat transfer by. Answer is C. Question number 10. When heat transfer from one particle of hot body to another by actual motion of the heated particles, it is referred to as heat transfer by. Answer is C. Question number 11. Fourier law of heat conduction is based on the assumption that. Answer is C. Question number 12. Dropwise condensation of steam is possible in one of the following condition of the pipe. Answer is C. Question number 13. Stephan-Boltzmann law, energy radiated is directly proportional to. Answer is B. Question number 14. The total amount of radiation emitted by black body is explained by. Answer is A. 15. The baffle are used to. Answer is D. 16. The overall coefficient of heat transfer is used in. Answer is D. 17. Unit of thermal conductivity in SI unit is. Answer is D. 18. In the heat interchanger, fine tubes are used for one of the following purposes. Answer is A. 19. The general equation for heat transfer rate Q is expressed as. Answer is C. 20. For heat insulation, one of the following is used. Answer is C. Question number 21. In double pipe heat exchanger, the two tubes are arranged in one of the following ways. Answer is A. Question number 22. Which heat interchanger consists of bent tubes? Answer is A. 23. Fourier law is applicable to one of the following type of heat flow. Answer is A. 24. In microwave oven, the heat flow is one of the following mechanism. Answer is D. 25. In convection process for a liquid in a tube, one of the following offers great resistance. Answer is D. 26. In forced convection, the rate of heat transfer is increased by. Answer is C. 27. Which of the following bodies radiate maximum amount of energy at a given temperature? Answer is A. 28. Heat exchanger are not used in one of the following unit operations. Answer is D. 29. Which heater is a highly efficient heat interchanger? Answer is D. 30. Loosening of tube sheet is a serious disadvantage in many heat exchanger except. Answer is B. 31. What is the purpose of baffles in a heat exchanger? Answer is C. 32. Which medium is the most effective for thermal radiation? Answer is C. 33. A black body satisfies one of the following condition. Answer is C. 34. In the calculation of heat transfer by convection through parallel flow feed, one of the following is used to represent the variation in temperature. Answer is C. 35. Which type of steam is not suitable for heat transfer? Answer is C. 36. Which type of mean radius is used in the calculation of heat flow when heat flow through a thin walled circular pipe? Answer is D. 37. Which one of the following has high thermal conductivity? Answer is A. 38. Dropwise condensation of steam is possible in one of the following condition of pipes. Answer is A. 39. The surface film coefficient decreases by reducing the film thickness, which is achieved by. Answer is A. 40. Force convection is applied in one of the following operation. Answer is A. 41. According to Fourier law, conduction of heat through a metal wall is. Answer is B. 42. Thermal conductivity and resistance of metal are related in the following proportionality. Answer is B. 43. Which one of the following statement is not true with respect to fins in a heat transfer equipment? Answer is C. 44. Which one of the following type of steam is used as heating medium? Answer is C. 45. Which one of the following mechanism is involved in the bucket type of steam trap? Answer is D. 46. Which one of the following equipment is example of heat transfer by radiation? Answer is C. 47. Hot air is circulated in the hot air oven. What are the mechanisms operating in this heat transfer process? Answer is C. 48. What is not the driving force for the heat transfer in a circular pipe? Answer is D. 49. Heat transfer from a metal wall does not involve one of the following mechanism. Answer is B. And the last 50 questions. Which one of the following is equivalent to 1 atmosphere? Answer is C.